compatibility for iPad mini 2.3 A1489 A1490 A1491 A1599 A1560 display. Please be sure to correctly identify your model before purchase. The wrong model could damage your phone. Scope of application: use for fix a faulty screen and cure, replace cracked, broken, dead pixels, touch is not working, touch response issues, display problems, wrong color issues, non-function screen, etc. Quality guarantee: all products have passed strictly QC double tested and 100% in good condition before shipment. Make sure no scratch / no dead area / no pixel or line in the screen. No worries after sale. High quality for iPad mini 2.3 A1489 A1490 A1491 A1599 A1560 LCD screen replacement and free repair tools. The tools we have provided cannot be used to replace all the parts of this model of phone, so if they are not suitable, please purchase the appropriate tools separately. 6 months free exchange for non-human damages. Our screens are packed in strong boxes. Avoid damage during shipping. Installation suggestions: please test the screen before installation to ensure the normal use of the screen. Non-professional installation is not recommended. If you need help and an installation instruction video, please contact us and we will get back to you within 24 hours, or find the installation video on YouTube. In the description to get this product today at the best price. Compatibility for iPad mini 2.3 A1489 A1490 A1491 A1599 A1560 display. Please be sure to correctly identify your model before purchase. The wrong model could damage your phone. Scope of application: use for fix a faulty screen and cure, replace crack.